Hello everyone, welcome to Should You Watch series. Today we are gonna talk about a psychological and thriller anime. The name is Sankuyo no Terror, also known as Terror in Resonance. This anime was produced by Studio Mappa, yes, the same who is producing Attack on Titan Season 4. This anime was aired on July 10, 2014 and its rating on IMDb is 7.9 out of 10. So if I start from the basics, this show contained 11 episodes with only one season. As for its animation, it's decent. Something you would expect from a 2014 anime. I would not say the animation is too good because the main focus of the anime is its story and characters. The story overpowered the animation in this anime. As I told you earlier, the genre of this anime are psychological and thriller. As for its story, as the name suggests, terror in the sound. So in this, Tokyo is under the fear of terrorist attacks. Now let's talk about the plot. So in Aomori, Japan, something is stolen from a nuclear fuel reprocessing facility and one of the perpetrators sprays the letters VON at the scene in red paint. 6 months later, a mysterious video is posted on social media and with a demoted detective on the case, here it goes. So basically the anime opened up with a theft in a nuclear facility and police have no clue about the criminals but a 3-letter word VON written by them until a strange video make its way to internet. That's how it starts. And it is a very good anime. The way it handles its story and the execution is really nice. It is a type of short anime which do not fail to deliver its message beautifully in short time. It handles moral ambiguity and anti-heroism with rarely seen grace. It is respectful to the characters, fleshing them out, highlighting the good, the bad. It is respectful to us, the viewers, allowing us to come to our own conclusion about the characters or the moral justification of their actions. It is powerful enough on its own to allow us to feel emotion naturally rather than forcing the character's emotion onto us. If I have to give an example of an anime like it, it would be Erased. From that I mean, if you like Erased, then you will definitely like it. Also, if you are a person who likes being detective in imagination, or you like thrill, or you like anticipation, then do watch this anime because it's totally worth it. If you're more into rom-com or high school anime and normally don't like any other, then it wouldn't be for you. That said, it doesn't mean you should not give it a try. Maybe it will become the very anime for you that helps you to enter this genre. Any other anime taste is fine, so if you want a thriller day, just sit back and watch Terror in Resonance. It is available on Netflix, so you can watch it there or any other platform you prefer.
Hold me close till I get up.